Hello, Kawad. I'm back again. I need to put that down TV. I'm unboxing now my mugs or coffee mug because I'm changing now I have to put it back again to the cabinet, the Christmas cups, all the Christmas, you see, changing now. I'm about to change, and this is one of my collection from, I think I get it from Germany. It's a long time ago. It's like almost 3 years. Now I have to change all my things in the kitchen in new. You see? This is the cups. Come on. I almost dropped my water. Now, I really don't want to use this because it's very nice for just to keep it for collection, but I need to use it. See, all these different kinds of flower. I think I get it from Germany when I was there last time. I don't remember anymore. Where did I get it? But I'm sure in Germany because this is made from Germany. This, and also this is Bone China. It's very very good porcelain. See, okay, this is 6, and it's good also for the dishwasher. Uy, I almost dropped it. So keeping that away, and this is another one. That's another one also. This is another flower, I think. Yeah, this one with the blue one on the top, and this one is only like a little bit of flower or something design on the top of it, but this one looks very nice. You see, but I think it's also different kind. Okay. It's the same, not different flower, you see, and this one is different. I love it. I love it. You see the flower? There's another flower there. And this one I think is the same. Yeah, it's the same. This one. Oh, I think 2 of them are the same. No, because this is different. And this is also different. Oh, that's only 2 of them are the same. But this one is different. Okay, I have 12. Because we don't wash it every day, so you can use it every day and put in the dishwasher. And this one is the tea bag. Okay, so this, you see, ta-da! That's very nice. Look, it's for my teapot. And this one is, can put the tea, jasmine tea or chamomile tea. You can put it here and then put water. And then this is for 3 person or 4 person. Here, all the flowers, what is in the cups, and it's in here. You see? Yes, you see, very nice. Okay, so this is my cups. I have to put it in the dishwasher first before we use it. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love, love, love.